Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Obama and Modi breakthrough understanding in nuclear deal. United States supports a reformed UN Security Council with India as a member. Almost 60,000 bogus ration cards in Goa. Population mismatch of 2,70,000 between card holders and censors. Prudent exclusive. Crime branch fails to solve mystery behind whereabouts of Pradeep Singh Biring for last 1 year. Biring's passport and Interpol report contradictory. Senior journalist Lambert Mascarenhas gets Padma Shri Award in field of literature and education. Advani Bachchan Padma Vibhushan, Bill Melinda Gates Padma Bhushan. And life of non-captive mine leases should be extended till 2030. Federation of Mineral Industries has requested Mines Ministry most of Goan leases non-captive. Now the news in detail. India and the United States of America have achieved breakthrough understanding in nuclear deal. US President said United States support a reformed UN Security Council with India as a member. While briefing the media jointly on Sunday, Obama greeted Modi by saying Pyar Bhara Namaskar and thanked him for their unofficial Chai Pe Charcha at Hyderabad House. Both leaders had discussions on enhancing cooperation in crucial areas of defense, trade and commerce and climate changes.
Namaste. Thank you, Prime Minister Modi, for those very generous words. I want to express my profound gratitude to not only you, but the people of India for the incredible hospitality. At the White House, we agreed to take this partnership to a new level. We advanced that work today. Prime Minister Modi, thank you for hosting me, including our Chai Pe Charcha. We need more of those in the White House. Today we achieved a breakthrough understanding on two issues that were holding up our ability to advance our civil nuclear cooperation, and we're committed to moving towards full implementation. And this is an important step that shows how we can work together to elevate our relationship. We also, as the Prime Minister noted, agreed to resume discussions about a possible bilateral investment treaty. We agreed to deepen our defense and security cooperation. We've renewed the framework that guides our defense cooperation for another 10 years. We've also agreed to a new vision for the Asia Pacific so that we're doing more together to advance our shared security and prosperity in this critical region. And finally, we discussed what more we can do as global partners. I reiterated and reiterate to the Indian people today that we support a reformed UN Security Council that includes India as a permanent member.
दो देशों के साथ रिश्ते कागज पर कहां फुल स्टॉप है, कहां कॉमा है, उसके आधार पर निर्धारित कम होते हैं. लीडरों के बीच खुलापन कितना है, एक दूसरे को जानने के अवसर कितने हैं, केमिस्ट्री कैसे मैच करती है, वो बहुत ज्यादा निर्भर करता है. और ये पर्सनल केमिस्ट्री है, मैं समझता हूं ये बहुत मैटर करती है और ये पनपनी चाहिए, ऐसे ही अवसर पर पनपती है.
It is suspected that there are almost 60,000 bogus ration cards in Goa. The population mismatch between ration card holders and population census touches 2,70,000. Considering population census of 2011 and Goa's average population growth, the population touches almost 15 lakh by 2015. However, 4 lakhs and 14,000 ration card registered in the state have the population of 17 lakh 70,000. With average 4 to 5 members per ration cards, 60,000 suspected bogus ration cards pose a big question mark before government's electronic voter card mission. Watch Prudent's exclusive.
The issue of bogus ration card holders in the state has rocked the state assembly. Government has accepted the fact that bogus ration cards still exist. Pilot project of digital ration cards in Bardesh Taluka has brought another fact to the fore. The Civil Supplies Department couldn't tally total of 18,000 ration cards as yet. Prudent has taken a study of population census of last 5 decades and ration card holders. This analysis has led to us a shocking result. Have a look. Above poverty line, number of ration cards 3,83,000. Population 16,35,026. Below poverty line, number of ration cards 16,995. Population 75,922. Antyodaya Anna Yojana, number of ration cards 14,329. Population 59,576. Annapurna scheme, number of ration cards 331. Population 329. Total number of ration cards 4,14,885. Population 17,70,345. That means there are 4,14,000 ration card holders and population of 17,70,000. That means a family of 4 to 5 persons per card. Now have a look at the population census of last 5 decades. 1991, Goa's population 11,69,000. Growth 1,62,000. Percentage growth in decade 16%. 2001, Goa's population 13,47,000. Growth 1,77,000. Percentage growth in decade 15%. 2011, Goa's population 14,58,000. Growth 1,10,000. Percentage growth in decade 8%. This shows Goa's population grows 10 to 12% every decade. This means almost 1% per year. This calculation says during 2011 to 2014, the population must have grown from 14,58,000 to almost 15 lakhs. But total number of ration card holders reaches to 17,70,000. That means almost 2,70,000 more. The question is, from where do they fall? Digitalization of ration cards was supposed to be completed by 4th March 2015. But government is going on postponing it. Ironically, the file is pending before the finance department. Seems like the bogus ration cards are coming in the way of implementing the pilot project of the government. Reporter Mahesh Kari for Prudent.
Crime branch is still unable to solve the mystery behind whereabouts of prime accused in Ruby Residency collapse case Pradeep Singh Biring for last 1 year. Crime branch was trusting upon the communication of Interpol that Biring has been located in Manchester, England. But Biring passport shows that he did not visit England after the date of building collapse. Both the accused builders, Pradeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal, are presently in jail under judicial custody.
It was speculation that after arrest of accused builders of collapsed Ruby Residency, Pradeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal will complete the investigation and crime branch will file its charge sheet with all the facts. But mysterious arrest of both the accused builders in Mumbai has raised many questions, which is still unanswered even after the interrogation by the police. Manchester police through Interpol had sent a communication to crime branch on 7th August 2014 claiming that Pradeep Singh Biring has been located at his residence in Manchester. Manchester police had also communicated crime branch to make application to extradite Biring through diplomatic channel. In response of Interpol's communication, crime branch was all set to begin extradition process. But surprisingly, Biring along with builder Jagdeep Sehgal was arrested in Mumbai on 16th January. The passport of Biring shows that he did not travel abroad after the building collapse on 4th January 2014. He had last time visited England in December 2013. Now the question arises, how Manchester police and Interpol sent that communication? If he was in England, then how he dodged Interpol and Indian security agencies while returning back to India? Have Manchester police and Interpol sent completely wrong information? How he succeeded to evade his arrest for more than a year? The Panji Special Court is due to pronounce its order on bail plea of both Pradeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal for 28th January. But crime branch is seeming helpless to solve this mystery. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Union government declared Padma Award on the eve of Republic Day. Senior journalist and author Lambert Mascarenhas has been awarded Padma Shri. He is a lone Goan from the Padma awardee list this year. L.K. Advani, Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar has been conferred with Padma Vibhushan. Bill and Melinda Gates have been conferred with Padma Bhushan. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.